It's my December Ice Cream Beauty Box. So if you want to check out what's inside of this box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Just me today. Bandit and Chloe are off doing their own things. They're very independent folks there. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my December Ice Cream Beauty Box, and I actually didn't get it until the beginning of January. And I had a couple other people say like they hadn't gotten their box yet, and they were pretty upset, and I hadn't gotten mine, so I didn't know what to tell them. Like, I haven't got mine either. And I did see some people did get theirs. So I'm not sure what happened in December with this, but it's here, so we're gonna make the best of it. Now this is a monthly subscription box, and it is $25, no shipping. They do have a bag that's $12.50 plus shipping. Always has great things. This again, so December, it says Happy Holidays. And let's see, the sneak peek, not going to see much. All right, so we have a premium makeup brush, not just any, but a premium one. And this is a high quality and multifunctional from Mange, M-A-A-N-G-E, I think that says. Oh, these are very pretty. So it's a whole set. We have 5 brushes, really nice and soft, really pretty. Look at that. Look at how pretty those are. All right, so I'm reading here that this is a TikTok viral set. This whole set is $15. So it said this brand took TikTok by storm. The brushes went viral for their affordability and have been compared to some higher end brands. They have sold almost 1.5 million brush sets and have 47,000 reviews with 4.7 stars on TikTok alone. They're also building a massive following on Amazon. We're absolutely thrilled to bring this new must-have set to your collection. And that's one of the things that I like about this box is they work with indie companies, and they do bring you like TikTok viral products. And I'm not on TikTok that often, so I don't know what's a viral product. And people always tell me, oh my God, I got these great deals on TikTok. I don't even know how to shop on TikTok. I don't know what to tell you. So I'm excited to get that. I'm excited to get some of these things that I wouldn't know about otherwise. Next, we have this under eye cream. Look at how pretty that is, though. This is by Creme de la Cube. It's cruelty-free. This brush set, cruelty-free. I don't know, it doesn't say. All right, so there we go. It is in the little cube, and then inside is the little circle. I'm not going to open it up because I have so much open right now. But this is an under eye cream, which means that you're going to want to put it just under your eyes. It probably has caffeine in it. That's probably why. It says it's a $35 value. And it says this luxurious under eye cream combines elegance with effectiveness, making it an essential addition to your skincare routine. Why is under eye cream important? The delicate skin around your eyes is thinner and more prone to dryness, fine lines, and puffiness. A targeted under eye cream provides the hydration and nutrients needed to keep this area smooth, firm, and refreshed. Gently dab a small amount of the cream onto skin and pat lightly under and around the eyes until fully absorbed. Use morning and night for best results. Next, by Bedoya Beauty, we have a Prism lipstick in Cherry on Top. And here's Bandit. And I mean, look at that packaging. All right, so there is the color. I'm not sure what makes it a Prism lipstick, so let me read a little bit about it. Now it says it's a matte lipstick by Bedoya Beauty, $10 value, available in 5 shades. The lipsticks are stunning and surprisingly affordable. A hydrating lip balm is recommended before application to prevent excess drying of your lips. All right, it's very pretty. It's not my color. So I'm just going to put it back in here. Very, very pretty, but not a color that I think I would. I'm not a reds person. Next, you had a choice between the Pavlova palette by Trifle Cosmetics or Palette Orion by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. Both were a $32 value, and you could have gotten both for an additional $10. So that's what I did, of course. So this is the, and I believe I have this. So I thought, you know what? Oh, well, I guess it won't. I was going to say it would make a nice giveaway, but look at this. It's crushed. Yep. Okay. Well, I'll see if they replace it or give me my $10 back. Either one. All right. Here is the, now Jelly Pong Pong is the same company as Trifle Cosmetics. They're all, so Susan, I believe, is the company. And there is that one. Very, very pretty. And then last is the eyeshadow palette. So you're always going to get an eyeshadow palette. This is Happy Go Lucky, and this is from Ensley Rain Cosmetics, and it's a $26 value. And it says that it's an indie brand that's been making waves in the beauty world. It's a delightful addition to their Woodland Creatures collection. It has 4 mattes, 1 duochrome, and 1 multichrome, all with magnetic pans that can be interchanged with other palettes. As one of our most highly requested brands, we're excited for you to experience the magic of Ensley Rain Cosmetics. And I've never tried this brand before, so I'm super excited. And look at how cute. And it's also destroyed. So very, very disappointed. That was definitely the multi-chrome there. Look at that. So lovely. So I'll see if they can replace this. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened this month. Late box, destroyed products. They're packed in pretty well. I mean, these are very well packed. So the fact that they are so destroyed really surprises me. Not really sure what happened with it, but I'll let them know and see if they do anything about it and keep you guys informed. All right, well, I'd ask you what was your favorite product, but I don't know, I guess the one that's not broken, I guess. The brushes, I would have loved this palette, and I mean the mats are usable, even if they can just send me the one that's crushed, because it is magnetic, you know, maybe Ensley Rain does like singles, they can send me that, I'm not sure. But let me know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.